Good morning, friends. Welcome to online study in Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Bhandaraj Mode, Dosa. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Today's subject is analog electronics and the topic is clamper circuit. In previous section, we discussed about clamping circuit. What is clamping circuit? Types of clamping circuit. We study in details positive clamping circuits. Clamping circuits is a electronic circuit which add DC level to input level in positive or negative direction. We can increase the positive or increase upward or downward of input voltage by adding DC components, by DC voltage or current. In previous section we study about positive clamping circuit which add DC component to positive direction in upward direction, so it is called positive clamper. Now today we will discuss about negative clamper and biased clamper in details. In negative clamper, a DC components, a DC level add to the negative cycle. We describe in details. Let us, during positive half cycle, what happened in during positive half cycle? The construction of negative clamper circuit is that in clamper circuit only capacitor, diode, resistor, input supply are used. With input supply, capacitor is connected and diode and load resistance are connected in parallel, and output is taken at load RL. What happened when positive cycle is given to the diode? For positive cycle, diode first part is positive, input first part is positive, and in this condition diode is forward biased, and in forward biased condition diode work as a short circuit, as a switch. In this condition, capacitor charge up to a value with input maximum value Vm. During the positive half cycle of the input AC signal, the diode is forward biased and hence no signal appears at the output. In forward biased condition, the diode allows electric current through it. This current will flow to the capacitor and charge it to the peak value of input voltage in inverse polarity minus Vm, as input current or voltage decrease after attaining its maximum value Vm. The capacitor holds the charge until the diode remains forward biased. Okay. In forward condition, diode is short circuit, and in short circuit condition in load there is no input, no current flow through RL due to diode short circuit. So in forward condition, in positive cycle there is no output appears across load RL. What happened during negative half cycle? During the negative half cycle of the input AC signal, the diode is reverse biased and hence the signal appears at the output. In reverse bias condition, the diode does not allow electric current through it, so the input current directly flow towards the output. When the input is negative cycle, diode is positive first part, input negative, so diode is reverse bias condition. In reverse bias condition, diode work as a open circuit. In open circuit, diode is open, all the input values, all input goes to load RL and capacitor discharge its value. which is stored in forward condition. So capacitor's value and input value goes to RL, and combined output of V input and capacitor charge is received at output V0. When the negative half cycle of begins, the diode is in the non-conducting state and charge stored in the capacitor is discharged. Therefore, the voltage appeared at the output is equal to the sum of voltage stored in capacitor and the input voltage is minus 2 Vm, which have the same polarity with each other. As a result, the signal shifted downwards. So, in negative cycle, capacitor stored charge minus Vm, input cycle is minus Vm, then the in negative direction total output is minus twice of Vm, twice of input. Biased clamper. It is positive and negative clamper we will discuss. Now biased clamper. What is biased clamper? When positive clamping and negative clamping circuit diode connected with a battery, DC battery, then it is called biased. In positive clamper, diode have DC battery, then it is called positive biased clamper. When in negative clamper, diode have biasing of battery, then it is called negative biased clamper. Sometimes what is where we use and what the need of biased clamper. Sometimes an additional shift of DC level is needed. We require a additional shifting in output. In such cases, biased clamper are used. The working principle of the biased clamper is almost similar to the unbiased clamper. The only difference is an extra element called DC battery introduced in biased clamper. Like that, a diode connected with a battery, then it is called biased. Positive clamper with positive bias. Positive clamper means clamp the DC level in positive direction. With positive bias means diode connected with forward bias condition with battery. Input is sinusoidal waveform. Input connected with capacitor, diode connected with DC battery parallel with load resistance RL. It is the positive clamping with positive bias. In this circuit, in positive direction, output is increased. How it is happen? If positive biasing is applied to the clamper, then it is said to be a positive clamper with positive bias. The positive clamper with positive bias is made up of an AC voltage source, capacitor, diode, resistor and DC battery. During positive half cycle. During the positive half cycle, the battery voltage forward bias the diode when the input supply voltage is less than the battery voltage. When input is less than DC voltage, in this condition diode is forward biased condition. This current or voltage will flow to the capacitor and charge it. In this condition, diode is forward biased, short circuit and capacitor charge up to a value. When the input supply voltage becomes greater than the battery voltage, then the diode stops allowing electric current through it because the diode becomes reverse bias condition. When input is more greater than DC voltage, then in this condition diode is reverse bias and is open circuit and output through RL we received. During negative half cycle. During the negative half cycle, the diode is forward biased by both input supply voltage and battery voltage, so the diode allows electric current. this current will flow to the capacitor and charge it. Okay, in reverse condition, diode is forward bias. In reverse cycle, diode is forward bias because battery positive terminal connected to diode positive terminal and battery negative terminal is connected to input negative terminal. In both condition, Vi greater than Vb or Vb greater than Vi, in both condition diode is forward bias. In reverse bias. भाई रो इधर देखो, ये in negative half cycle, diode is forward bias. Battery connected with positive is forward bias. Diode always forward bias. So in reverse condition, in negative cycle, there is no current flow through RL because diode is always forward bias. Okay, it is forward biased, positive clamper with positive bias. Now negative clamper with positive bias, it's only diode position is changed. This circuit is similar to positive bias with positive bias, only diode connection is reverse bias because diode and battery are connected in reverse position, so it is called negative clamper with positive bias. Let's the working is, the construction is same. Input and capacitor are connected in series. Diode and DC battery connected in series parallel with input and load RL. Battery, DC and diode are always reverse bias condition. What happened when positive cycle is goes? During the positive half cycle, the battery voltage reverse biases the diode when the input supply voltage is less than the battery voltage. During the positive half cycle, the battery voltage reverse bias the diode when the input supply voltage is less than the battery voltage. When input is less than DC battery, in this condition diode is reverse bias, and reverse bias condition only a small current flow in positive direction. When the input supply voltage becomes greater than the battery voltage, the diode is forward biased by the input supply voltage and hence allows electric current through it. This current will flow to the capacitor and charge it. When Vi greater than Vb in positive cycle, then diode is forward bias, and in forward bias condition diode is short circuit. At output we received input current. And what happened in negative cycle? In negative cycle, and diode is positive terminal connected with input negative terminal is reverse bias, and diode negative terminal connected with DC battery positive terminal, diode is always reverse bias. In both condition diode is reverse bias and in open circuit, and all the complete cycle of input is goes to the load RL. Diode is reverse biased by both the input supply voltage and battery voltage. As a result, the signal appears at the output, and this is output waveform. So it's the clamping circuit. We discuss about negative clamper, we discuss positive clamper in last section. Today we will discuss about negative clamper, positive clamper with positive bias, positive clamper with negative bias. In positive negative clamper, so in figure, input is positive cycle but output is negative cycle twice of input. In positive cycle there is no current, there is no output due to short circuit of the diode. Only reverse bias condition. In negative half cycle of the input, output received is double. It is called a voltage doubler. We can say this circuit voltage doubler circuit. But at input there is no output. In biased clamper, only a DC battery is added to the diode. Input is same sinusoidal waveform, but the output waveform is different in clamped form, increased form, in upward or downward direction. In positive clamper with positive bias means output increase in positive direction, but the DC battery is connected with diode in forward condition. See in the figure, diode positive terminal and battery positive terminal are connected together, so it is called positive bias. And positive clamping means output is always in forward positive direction. The next circuit is negative clamper with positive bias. Negative clamper with positive bias. Battery is always negative with diode and negative clamper means clamp the signal in reverse direction. Input is always a sinusoidal waveform. At first capacitor is charged up to a value. When diode is forward condition, then capacitor is charged up to a value. When diode is reverse bias condition, then all the voltage of input to supply and capacitor charge received at output. So this is the negative clamper with positive bias. So clamping circuit and clipping circuit we will discuss in details. Any query, please send a message and call for the queries. So clipping and clamping we discuss in details. Types of the clamper: positive clamper with positive bias, positive clamper with negative bias, negative clamper with positive bias. So all the types of clamping circuits are working are same, only some difference. What happen when diode is forward bias and diode is reverse bias? It's check. At first diode is forward bias condition, so all capacitor needs charge at first, and then diode is reverse bias and all the charge received at the output. We discuss about application of the clippers and clampers. Now again we tell you about clippers applications and clamping applications. Clippers are used for the generation and shaping of waveforms. Clippers are used for the protection of circuit from spikes. Clippers are used for amplitude restores. Clippers are used for voltage limiters. Clippers are used in television circuits and FM transmitters. So this is the clippers application. And what is the clamper applications? So clampers are used is direct current restores, used in remove distortion. So unwanted signal are removed from the by the using of clamping circuit. Clampers are used as voltage multiplier because output is step up. used for the protection of amplifier, used as test equipment, and used as a baseline stabilizer. So it's the application of clipper and clamper, and discuss about the construction and working of the circuits. So thank you all. Thanks.